Welcome back to the Stratosphere and a slightly different episode for you.
Yes folks, we're going to be focusing on the most ridiculous things about the Lancia Stratos. And this is the first one. The wheelbase.
Yes indeed, a ridiculously wheelbase, clocking in at just over 7 foot. Which is what makes it so nimble and means you can get away with manoeuvres like this. And of course this. Next up, of course, it's the windows. Yes, and not only the windows, but the ridiculous mechanism in which to put them up and down with. What were they thinking? And while we're on the subject of ventilation, there is, of course, the ventilation. Yes, there, completely out of reach from either of the seats. And not just those two, there's two more. Yes. Again, what were they thinking? Thank God for the roof scoop. A godsend. And in the same area, of course, the windscreen. Ridiculously cool. Possibly one of the coolest windscreens ever.
What's pretty funny about this is not the way I'm positioned in this interior, but the fact that I can get the entire glass just in one big sweep is actually pretty cool. I mean, there are very few cars that enable you to clean the glass all at one time and get every corner. Still the greatest windshield yet. Haven't seen a better one.
And this guy from the Haggerty channel agrees with me. And back to the doors. Yes, and of course those ridiculous pockets, as we well know, designed to accommodate your racing helmet and also your cat. And I know I said 5 things, but here's number 6. It's just ridiculously cool. Period. So I hope you enjoyed that little detour. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe down here somewhere. We'll be doing another one on 5 things I don't like about the Stratos. That'll be an extremely short episode. So as I say, you'll need to be subscribed to get the update for that. Of course, encourage others to watch my lunacy.